Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Linear equation
Yes, sir.
means equations having powers of x as 1. Like if we write y equals to 2x plus 3 or 2x plus 3 equals to 0. This is linear equation of two variables x and y. X has 1 and y also has 1. So this is linear equation of two variables. Is that clear to you? And this is linear equation of one variable only. It has power of x as 1. Equation having power of x as 1. And we can write power of y also as 1. So if it has power of x and y both as 1, so it is simultaneous linear equation. है ना? But if it has only one variable x, so it is linear equation in x. Linear equation in x means it has power of x as 1. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And now the second thing which we are going to discuss today is linear inequation. So what is the meaning of linear inequation? It is inequation means it has only power of 1. For example, if we discuss the first question of this exercise, it is a linear inequation. 2x minus 3 by 4 plus 9 is greater than or equal to 3 plus 4x by 3. Okay. Is that clear to you? Power of x is 1, 1 everywhere. So this is linear inequation. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to solve this linear equation? First, we take LCM of all the denominators. So it is what? 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is?
12.
LCM of 4 and 3 is
12.
So we multiply all the terms with 12. 2x minus 3 by 4 into 12 plus 9 into 12 is greater than or equal to 3 into 12 plus 4x by 3 into 12. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We multiply all the terms with 12. That is with the LCM of denominators of all the terms. Then this 4 3s are 12. 12 will be cancelled out. So 2x minus 3 into 4 3s are 12 plus 12 9s are 108 is greater than or equal to 12 3s are 36 plus 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16x. Is that clear to you? Any doubt in any step? Is there any doubt to anyone in any step till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone have understood? Harsh?
Yes, sir.
Suket?
Yes, sir.
Akshara?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now when we open the bracket, 3 2s are 6x minus 3 3s are 9 plus 108 is greater than or equal to 36 plus 16x. It implies now 6x, all the terms of x are written on the same side, minus 16x is greater than or equal to 36 minus 9 is transferred to next side, plus 9 minus 108. Okay. So it implies 6x minus 16x minus 10x is greater than or equal to 36 plus 9 45 and 45 minus 108 minus 63. Okay. Now if we remove this minus sign, what happens? Do you know?
Sign
Inequality
reversal.
reversals.
साइन रिवर्स हो जाते हैं.
Very good. Inequality is reversed. साइन रिवर्स नहीं हो जाते हैं. साइन को माइनस से प्लस किया तो इनइक्वालिटी रिवर्स हो जाती है. Inequality is reversed when signs are changed. Write this rule. This is the rule number 1. Inequality is reversed when sign are changed. Is that clear to you? And why do they change? Means greater than inequality becomes less than inequality. Why do they change? As we know that if minus 3 is greater than minus 4 or not, tell me.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
correct or not? If we
Yes.
remove minus sign, is it correct now?
No, sir.
Now it becomes less than 4. Is that clear to you? So when we multiply both sides by minus 1, 3 is less than 4. Means inequality is reversed when sign are changed. Okay? And it implies x is less than equal to 63 by 10. It implies x is less than equal to 6.3. Okay? Is that clear to you, everyone? Now, nothing is written about x. What is it? If nothing is given, so remember always x belongs to real numbers. Is that clear to you? If nothing is given about x, means x belongs to real number. Means all the real numbers which are less than 6.3 are the solutions of this inequations. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
All the real numbers less than 6.3 means what? So can you tell me which real number lies just before 6.3? Can anyone tell which number lies?
6.
6. There are several numbers between 6 and 6.3. 6.01 is one of them.
6.0.
001, 6.002. So 6.3 तो बहुत दूर है. उसके पहले ठीक पहले कौन सा हमने पूछा? No one can tell. Understood? Is that clear to you? No one can
Yes, sir.
tell the number which lies just before 6.3. No one can tell the number which lies just after 6. 6.01, if you say there is a number which is less than this even, a number which is less than this again. Okay? So infinite numbers exist between 6.3 and all of them are the solutions of this inequation. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So x is less than or equal to 6.3 is the answer of this question. Understood? Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now solve it yourself. Five x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5. Is greater than x by 4. Okay. So first find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 3, 5 and 4? 3 5s are 15,
60.
60. So much
60.
first fraction by 60. 60 into 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus 60 into 7x minus 3 upon 5 is greater than 60 into x by 4. Is that clear to you? It implies now 3 20s are 60. So 20 into 5x minus 2 minus 5 12s are. So 12 into 7x minus 3 is greater than 4 15s are. So 15x. It implies now open the bracket. So 25s are minus 22s are 40 minus 12 sevens are 84x plus 12 threes are 36 is greater than 15x. Now transfer all the terms of x to the same side. 100x minus 84x minus 15x is greater than minus 40 is transferred to this side becomes plus 40. 36 is transferred to this side becomes minus 36. So x is greater than 4 is the correct answer. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the answer of question number 1C?
Sir, x is greater than 5.
This is wrong. Now this is wrong. Why? Do you know? As we have
So x is less than 7/3.
we have not studied about this till now before this class. Now we will discuss the method to solve the inequality of this type. 3 upon x minus 2 is less than 1. Okay. So how to solve these types of inequality? You have multiplied both sides with x minus 2. है ना?
Yes, sir.
This is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Do you know x
Yes, sir.
is positive or negative? If it is negative, then it will reverse the inequality, na? Is that clear to you? We don't know whether x minus 2 is positive or negative. It depends on value of x. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We cannot multiply an inequality with a negative number. And if we multiply it with a negative number, what should we do? Inequality will be reversed on change.
reverse.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
But this time we don't know whether it is negative or positive. If we change the sign, then also it can be correct. Why? As it can be positive also. If x minus 3 is positive, x minus 2 is positive, then inequality remains the same. Is that clear to everyone? Are you getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
So first we transfer this 1 to left hand side. Okay. Then take the LCM. It is x minus 2. Numerator becomes 3 minus, write the bracket, 1 into x minus 2. X minus 2 is less than 0. Is that clear to you? Now open the bracket. 3 minus x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is less than 0. It implies 3 plus 2. 5 minus x upon x minus 2 is less than 0. Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
No,
We will
sir.
No,
still
sir.
not cross multiply. Okay. We cannot multiply both sides by x minus 2. Cross multiplying means same thing. We are multiplying with the LCM of denominator x minus 2, which is wrong. As we don't know whether x minus 2 is positive or negative. Okay. Now first make it in such a way that x must be the first term. Always. So to make the x first term, we have to take minus common from the numerator. So this 5 minus x becomes what?
X minus 5.
Is that clear to everyone? When we take minus common from the numerator, it is minus 5 plus x. And we have to write positive number first. So x minus 5. Now we can multiply by with this minus both sides. So inequality will be reversed when sign are changed. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Inequality reverses when signs are changed. So
Yes.
multiplied by minus 1. So we have to change the sign. Now what will be the next step? Do you know? The question will now start from this step. We cannot multiply by x minus 2 still. From the first term to this term, we have only simplified this. And always remember, when simplify, x must be the first term. Okay, everyone? Now we will
Yes, sir.
with a positive number. So multiply both sides by x minus 2 whole square. Now can you tell x minus 2 whole square is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, as a square of a number is always a positive number. So we will multiply left hand side with x minus 2 whole square. Okay. And if we multiply left hand side with x minus 2 whole square, then we will multiply right hand side, that is 0 also, with the same number. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So one of the x minus 2 will be cancelled out. So the next result is x minus 5 into x minus 2 is greater than 0 multiplied by something is 0. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if this is an equation, it has two zeros. What are the two zeros?
X minus 5 is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0.
The zeros means it has two values of x. So what are the two values of x?
5 and 2.
5 and 2.
This is when it is an equation, but it is an inequation. So 2 and 5 are not the solution. Understood? So mark them on number line. Is that clear to you? Mark them on number line. So first number is 2. Next number is 5. Okay. Is that clear to you? Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay. So first check. Take a number which is less than 2. Can you tell a number which is less than 2?
1.
1. Now substitute this 1 in this inequation. In rough, you can do this.
Yes, sir.
So what is the value, positive or negative?
Positive. 8.
Everyone has done this. Is it positive or negative when we have kept a number which is less than 2 in this inequation? Like if we put x equals to 1, let's do it in rough. X equals to 1. So it is 1 minus 5 into 1 minus 2. That is minus 4 into minus 1, which is positive, means it is
4.
positive. Is that clear to you? You can check it with one more number which is less than 2. Check it for x equals to 0. Check whether it is positive or negative.
Positive.
Positive, na? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Means whenever we put a number which is less than 2 in this equation, it is always positive. Is that clear to you? Now put a number which is less than which lies between 2 and 5. Okay, check a number which lies between 2 and 5. Can you tell me a number which is less than 2 and 5? Which lies between 2 and
3.
3. Check for 3.
3.
Check for 3, everyone.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it's a
Positive.
negative number.
Negative number. Okay. Now
Negative number.
greater than 5.
So positive.
Positive. Okay. And what we have to bring, positive or negative? Greater than 0 means positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. So our solution is between 2 to 5. Is that clear to you? Positive means Between 2 to 5. Between 2 to 5, we are getting what? Positive?
Sir, negative.
Negative. So
negative.
this
Sir,
is not the
negative.
answer. Is that clear to you? So where will be, where it is positive? So where is the answer? When x is less.
Sir, what?
Is
Less
that
than
clear to
2.
you? Answer is where x is less than 2. Means all the values of x which are less than 2 are the solution of these questions, and all the values of x which are greater than 5 are also the answer to this question. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the solution
Yes, sir.
set for x. So what is the solution set for x? When x is less than 2. Okay. And when x is less than 2 and when
X is greater than 5.
is that clear?
Greater than equal. Yes.
No, equal to is not there. We write equal to only when there is equality in equation also. Is that clear to you? Understood?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If there is equal to in this, then only we will write equal to till last term. Okay. But as there is no equal to sign, so we cannot write equal to. Is that clear to you? Now copy this question, this solution. Okay.